Hi, I'm Des with AIA Beauty Bundle, and I am so excited to show you February's bundle featuring Jason Wu Beauty. Jason Wu is an iconic artistic director and fashion designer. So many of my favorite celebrities have worn his designs. He created Jason Wu Beauty as an extension of his fashion couture brand. He wanted the collection to be elegant and luxurious, but accessible and affordable for everyone. So you'll be getting 8 products in this bundle, so keep watching to see how I got this look using this month's bundle. First, you're gonna get the Saved by the Patch Pimple Patch. This is a blemish patch infused with tea tree oil and salicylic acid. You get 36 of these patches, and they are super cool because they are waterproof and they protect your blemishes. Each one has tea tree oil, salicylic acid, and grapeseed extract. Whenever I have a pimple, I just put one of these on, sleep with it overnight, and it's literally gone. It just helps extract everything out. Just make sure to apply to clean, dry skin. So this is what it comes with. As you can see, there's 2 different sizes and serrated edges, so you're just gonna rip it off. So as you can see, I've got a little friend over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my patch. So you can leave this on for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Next, you'll be getting the Magic Matte Oil. I know you're probably thinking, matte oil, how does this make sense? But trust me, this product is amazing. It transforms your face from oily to matte instantly. You can wear it alone or as a makeup primer. Just dab a couple drops onto your fingertips and then apply to your face. And make sure to let your primer set before applying your makeup. Next, you'll be getting the Bush Brow Shaper Soap. This is gonna give you that laminated look that is so in style right now. I love that the product is vegan and definitely strong enough to tame any bushy brows. To apply, spray a small amount of water directly onto the product. Next, you're gonna use a spoolie or an eyebrow brush to pick up the product. Then you just brush your eyebrows upward to get the desired look. Next, you'll be getting the Matte Agave Eyeshadow Palette. If you're looking for the perfect everyday eyeshadow palette, then this is the one. This palette comes with 9 colors that are super versatile and really easy to blend. I love how pigmented these are and how buildable they are. These are the shades I wear every single day, so it's so convenient that I have them all in one palette. Now for my favorite part, the lips. You'll be getting 2 gorgeous lip liner pencils in the shades Royal and Parisian Chic. Royal is a really pretty mauve nude color, while Parisian Chic is just a really pretty nude color. These soft and creamy lip liner pencils are meant to fill, shape, and line your lips. Each one is filled with vitamin E and jojoba oil to keep your lips feeling nourished. They glide on super smooth and have a really pretty matte finish. Next, you'll be getting 2 of the 3-in-1 sticks, which are used for your cheeks, lips, and eyes. You'll be getting 2 shades, one being Éclair, which is a copper red, and then you'll get Jelly Roll, which is a mulberry violet. These aren't just lipsticks, you can also use them as shadows or even blush on your cheeks. They're easily blendable and feels just like your skin. And they have a matte finish. Each shade is designed to be universally flattering on any skin tone. So this is everything in the bundle, and I am so impressed with all these products. This is the final look. If you want this bundle, then make sure to subscribe at AIABeautyBundle.com. See you next time.